Well, you're not gonna believe this. Oh, of course, you're gonna believe it because hey, you just spent it for 2 weeks. I mean, no sound. My, I got, I have a webcam on this, but I guess my back USB slots don't work, so I'm on my desktop. So my microphone wasn't working, and that's just the way it is. But I just figured it out because I plugged it in my front, and it's sad, but it's true. It's 7 a.m. PST, September 19th. Here's a picture of Gabrielle. It's been shared by the touch still, but as it moves north, westward, it's going to move away from it, find a very favorable environment, get picked up by the trough. It's going to move then northward, then northeastward, and out to sea. And that's what we expected to do. We did make a tropical update with our phone, but we'll make another one. Expect to have 45 knot winds at 21.5 north, 54.1 west. Um, yeah, here's less advisories track. It's moving west northwest at 12 miles per hour, 50 mile per hour winds. Looks like they're gonna keep it that way. Here's the models. Clearly, we curves it. Um, yeah, it's embarrassing, but that's just the way it is. Here's the GEFS down to 983 by 120 hours. Strength a little bit more afterwards. But it's probably going to be astrotropical in this period. I mean, some systems do stay tropical in this area, so it's possible. Um, 10 miles, most models agree with Cat 2, 85, 90, 95 knots. Some even Cat 3, we'll have to see. Could actually be a nice looking system in the, I mean, northwestern fucking Azores. I mean, it just goes to show how unfavorable this season is. Um, let's look at the close up of it. It's sheer the shit. I mean, there's 96L. This is last night. But let's look at this morning. LSC, wow, displaced of the convection is down to 60%. I mean, but I believe it has been a depression or a borderline tropical storm. It's down to 60% in the next 2 to 7 days. Should move west westward. No threat to land. Another system could form. Looks like it. Uh, looks like it's just off Africa. I mean, the coast of Mexico. It's right there. That's 20% in the next 2 days. 60% in the next 7. I mean, it does have a chance to form, but we'll stay away from Mexico. We'll move west northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, roughly parallel to the coast. Um, that's what's expected. Let's look at. There's enablers. Yeah, it could form. We got another system coming off Africa. It has 20%. Here's enablers. Here's GFS. It's expected to head west and west northwest. We don't we don't see a super chance. Here's the GFS at 90 hours. Here's a system in the Eastern Pacific at 992 mile barges off coast of Mexico. Um, let's go to 126. 969 becomes a hurricane. Wow. Um, CMC actually forms a system in the Central Atlantic. 996 for the East Pacific system. 180, 997 for the Central Atlantic system. ECMW GEF doesn't even show anything. 444. I mean, anything in the Gulf looks very marginal right now on a potential formation. I mean, nothing looks decent. We could go. We can show you a couple systems in the Western Pacific. Big Tag has made landfall. Is now depression. Won't be really watching that. Um, Reg Jits says has 40 knot winds. This system is actually exploding. I mean, let's see. This thing is about ready to explode into a very powerful typhoon. But yeah, I mean, so it hasn't come up. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that convection. It's going to move west to west northwestward between Taiwan and Laurans and China. Um, and as you can see, here's the models 948 millibars there. Um, GPS 970s. Could be a Cat 3-4 typhoon. I mean, incredible. That typhoon warning center is going to 120 knots with this system. Damn. Sure has 50 knot winds, but I expected it to stay off, away from land, recurve, up to 105 knots. Yeah. Anyway, that's your tropical day. Glad I got this fixed because goddamn, I mean, I understand, but well, we're trying. That's your tropical update.